Hello everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. So we're having a tea party today. I thought it would be fun to take advantage of this beautiful blue tea for two dress that was in my latest subscription box from Virtual Doll Convention for Ellowyne Wilde. Neema is wearing it and she is ready to go to a tea party. So when you get the subscription boxes, they come with little cutouts. And I don't do these very often, but I was very inspired by this box. So I went ahead and did it. I have these little teacups, and we've got some tea bags here. Excuse my voice, I'm getting a cold. And I've got Ellowyne here ready to dig into some donuts. These are little napkins here. And she's wearing a beautiful blue dress that came from a doll, another Ellowyne doll. I believe it was Romantic Possibilities. And today's doll is actually this one here, Ellowyne Wilde. Garden Variety is this doll's name. And she's a really pretty doll. She's got painted eyes. You can see she's got the eyelashes sticking out though, so the eyelashes are not painted. And a really beautiful doll that is very versatile. She came out in August of 2024, by the way, and of course she was designed by Robert Tonner and released through the Virtual Doll Convention. Her original stock gave me governess vibes, so she looked like a little school marm, and I have put her in a lot of other outfits since getting her, and she just looks good in everything, you know? I mean, very versatile. So she's going to eat some donuts here. I did pierce her ears, and I'll take her up and set her up so you can see her a little bit more close up. But they're both wearing blue and having tea for two. Her hair is beautiful, very nice hair. You can see it's got layers and little waves at the end, so it's long and wavy, nice quality. This dress, of course, is a stunning dress, really pretty. And she's got a really beautiful face up. Just enough, not overly done at all. Like I said, I think that's one of the reasons why she's so versatile. And just a regular skin tone. When I first got her, I wasn't sure. I was like, what am I doing? Why did I get her? But I reach for her a lot whenever I'm doing any of the dolly dress-ups and that kind of thing. Her shoes, by the way, these are gray shoes, and they're kind of big on her, but not too bad. And of course we have Sybil hanging out over here. These are the shoes that originally came with that dress, by the way. And if you're ever looking for furniture for your dolls, make sure you check out spots over in the gardening type places, in craft stores, you know, where they have flower arrangements and stuff. That's where I got these chairs, and they were marked down in Michael's. So I'm really glad I took some time to make these little cutouts. I have not done that before, like I said. Occasionally I've made a few, but I didn't do all of them. And really just a little bit of time, pair of scissors, a glue stick, and, you know, voila. I have this really fun setup here with the dolls. There you go. All right, guys, let me know what you think down below. I hope everybody is keeping warm out there in the cold northeast and now the southeast. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.